listing three culinary positions in the Middle East within a leading 5-star hotel. And we're now looking for applicants who have GCC experiences, have worked within larger operation, and would like the opportunity to go to this very well-known property. The first position is for an operations chef. This is really for someone who will assist the executive chef in the all-over operation of F&B outlets. We're talking about more than 15 outlets, so quite a big operation, and we want someone who has the experience within multi-cuisines and has the knowledge in Southeast Asian, Middle Eastern, but also European cuisines, have the ability to manage a very large multicultural team and also assist in the administration of the kitchen operations. The second position on our order is for an executive sous chef. This is based within the banquet operation, which will go up to 2,500 for sit-down dinners. So quite large again, and we're looking for people who have the experience within larger operations, fully familiar with banquet production and quality control, and would like really the opportunity to manage and also lead a multicultural team. The third position is for a pastry chef who will report to the executive pastry chef, taking fully charge of all the outlets and also banquet operation. And we're looking for someone who is very strong in production, very good in quality control, and importantly, provides training and development programs for the international staff force in all bakery and pastry items. If you would have any interest in any of the positions, plus we're looking for exec chefs in a moment also in the Maldives, in the GCC and Africa, plus Singapore, then please contact us at your convenience. And for the position in the Middle East, you can contact Stuart Chase, who is our senior partner for the GCC region. Hopefully talk soon, and happy cooking.